Hello everyone, welcome to TechBook. In this video, we will be solving Computer Application Specimen paper 2025. Here I have chosen 2-mark questions as it is easy to understand and also easy to score marks. So first question, that is predict the output of the following code snippet. Here is the code snippet for this. So ch equals b, that is char ch equals b, which is ch is equal to capital letter B, and one more char chr equals character to lowercase of ch is holding the value capital B. Now it is get converted to the small letter b. In the next line, int n equals int chr minus 10. So this is important. So here what we are going to do, we are going to cache the data type. So casting char to integer data type, we are going to convert the value of char to, that is a respected ASCII value. So here in this case chr, so chr is holding small letter b, so the ASCII value of small letter b is 98. Here n is equal to 98 minus 10, which is equal to 88. So n is holding the value 88. System.out.println char n. So again you are going to cache the data type, that is integer value to the character data type. Here 88, the ASCII value, that respected character is capital X. So we print, that is the output we get as capital X, and here we are going to use a /t, that is a one tab space, and chr is holding the value b. So x, one tab space, and small letter b. So this is the output. We'll move on to the next question. How many times will the following loop execute? Write the output of the code. So here x equals 10, and here while true. So while true is a forever loop, which means it is executed continuously, and we should terminate it by forcefully. Let us see how many times it is going to execute. So system.out.println x plus plus into 2. So x plus plus, it is post increment. So now it is the value of x is 10. So it is 10 into 2. So 10 into 2 is 20. So 20 is printed first, and then in the next statement, if x mod 3 equals 0. So that is x, value of x is incremented now. The value of x becomes 11. 11 mod 3 equals to 0. So this is false actually. If it is false, this particular statement is not executed. So again the loop is going to run system.out.println x plus plus into 2 again. So the value of x is now, it is 11. 11 into 2, 22. So 22, and then next, if the x value is incremented now, it is 12 mod 3 equals 0. So this is true, which means break is executed. If break is executed, the control comes out of the loop. So now let us answer to our question, how many times loop is executed? So executed for 2 times. And write the output. So the output is, first it is going to print 20, and next it is going to print 22. So this is the output of the code. And next question, so it is a kind of direct question. Write the Java expression for cube root x plus square root y. So we have the math function, that is math dot cbrt of x plus math dot sqrt square root of y. So this is a simple answer. As I told, it is a direct question. Next question, rewrite the following code using single if statement. Let us analyze the code and we'll try to answer it. So if code equals small g, print green. Else if code equals capital G, then also you're going to print green. So either you get a small g or a capital G, you're going to print it as green itself. So how you can write it? If code equals small g, or, so this is, or code equals capital G. If code equals small g or code equals capital G, you're going to print, that is SOP GREEN. Yes, so this is the code using the single if statement. Here we have used a two if statement, and now we are going to use it in single if statement. Here I have written as SOP, but please in your examination don't mention it as SOP. Write it full as system.out.println. Next question, consider the following program statement and answer the questions below. So what is the question? We'll see. Name the type of constructor used in the above program statement. So let us see what is the constructor it is used. So first, calculate is the class name, and here calculate, and also here also we have the calculate. So which means we have two constructors. So this constructor is the default constructor, and one more constructor what we have here, it is the two parameters we are having. So which means it is the parameterized constructor. So it is the parameterized constructor. So this is a simple answer. So basically you should be knowing what is a constructor and also what is type of constructors. So it is very simple to answer, and along with this we have one function, that is a sum function, but that is not asked in our question. So the only answer is default constructor and parameterized constructor. So easily you can get 2 marks by analyzing this, and as I noticed, this is one question asked many times in the exam board paper. Next one, consider the following program statement and answer the question below. So we'll see this x of this is a two-dimensional array. So in the two-dimensional array, how it is indexed, I'll just show you. Okay, so first this one is 0, and here this is 1, and it is 2, and also this becomes as 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3 0 1 2 3. So this is the index of that particular two-dimensional array. So let us see the question, what is the position of 34? So 34 is here, which means it is in the 2, that is x of 2 0, correct? 0 is this position. And next, what is the result of x 2 3 plus x 1 2? So x 2 3, so 2 is this and 3 index is this particular, so it is 9 plus x 1 2. So there is the 1, this one, and also the second position of first index is 8. So it is 8. Now 9 plus 8, so that the answer is 17. So answer for first one is this one, and second one is 17. I hope you understand this concept of a two-dimensional array, how it is indexed. A student executes the following program statements and get an error. Identify the statement which has error and correct the same to get the output. So if you observe this statement or the code, here boolean x is true, but in the switch statement you are going to use x and check the condition for 1 and 2, which means if you want to get the output for win, the boolean x equals true is the wrong statement. So here, which is the wrong statement we have, that is boolean x equals true. So what should be done? So this is a wrong statement. So this is wrong statement. So let us correct this. So if you want the output of win, so it should be 1. So the value of x should be 1, correct? So it should be as int x equals 1. So if this is written here, then our program execute without any errors. Just you should analyze what is the mistake and what output we get. So then it is very easy to score mark. Student is trying to convert the string present in x to a numerical value so that he can find square root of the converted value. However, the code has an error. Name the error: syntax, logical, runtime. Correct the code so that it compiles and runs correctly. Again, you should analyze the code. String x equals 25. So the value of x is in now string. Let us see, int y equals double. So here only we got an error. So int y, you have mentioned the variable y is int, but you are going to convert it to double, pass double of x. So how it is possible? So it will not be assigned. So this particular line is error. So that is the syntax error. So the answer for first one is syntax error. So let us correct that. So what should be done? It is also very simple. Int y, you make it as double y, and rest of the things are same. You will get the output. So it was a very simple question. Again, you should just analyze the code. Write the output of the following string methods. String x equals galaxy, comma y equals games. System.println x dot caret 0 equals y dot caret 0. So caret 0, that is capital G, and in y it is also same. So both are same, which means it is going to print it as true. Okay, keep that in mind. The answer for A is true because you are going to check the condition here. And next, B, system.println, again you should print some value, x dot compare to of y. So compare to, when you compare this x and y string, so it is different because here you have the galaxy and here games. So compare to returns an integer value, and as the statement is false now, so it will return -1. We have learnt how to answer the 2 marks questions. In the next video, I will be discussing the important questions and important type of questions so that we can solve it together and get thorough with those questions also. Thank you. Stay connected.